Hi, my name is Brandon, like Brand Loco. Hopefully this is a Nuclear Throne. I'm just started, but like I already played without you. That's how I got this stuff, but no, I already had this at the beginning. Okay. But Nuclear Throne is fun. You should try it. It's hard, and I messed up. Wow, just wow. I gotta try. For the first level in this game, you should probably don't kill nobody yet. So what you're gonna do is go over here, just dodge everybody and block them. Like, just block their attacks and try not to get hit. If you get hit, you don't have to restart. But I don't really care about restarting, because once you hit the next part right there and then there, yeah. The problem is you're gonna keep your lives that you have from the last level, and it's gonna be hard. So that's why you should be careful. Oh my god, I got hit. That's sad. Oh my god, shotgun. That's good enough. I need to block their attacks. And Big Bandit is here. I'm sad. Not sad, but I'm distressed. I'm in distress. Help. Help. Please help. No. I hate you guys. I'm gonna kill all you other people for now. It's gonna be kind of hard. It might take a while. It's now me versus him. Hopefully I don't die, because I've been working hard to get this. Like, there's so many mobs. Oh, look, it's stuck. Let me start shooting. So let me aim you over here. And you're stuck. So you wait for your motion. Oh, look, I got my health back. Not all of it. But yeah. Meltdown is good. I'm not gonna use Meltdown. Possibly for this video. I'm probably gonna use them later. But yeah. This one, probably not for this video. Kill everybody, please kill everybody, please kill everybody. Oh my gosh, that's scary. So yeah. I really need a heal. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh, I got 3 health left. And just to say, I'm saying oh my god on accident. But I do pray and stuff. I just said on accident. Please leave in the comments if you do pray. That's good. Where is everybody? Guess, am I stuck here? Did my game glitch? I hope not. Actually, though. I've been playing for 3 minutes and 40 seconds. It's not telling me to get this, is it? Okay, it's good. But what? I'm confused. I'm so confused. What am I supposed to? Oh, you wasted my time, little bunny. I mean, rat. Yep, you wasted my time. Well, let's go. Oh no. Rabbit paw, let's go. Oh, okay. Low. That's sad. Well, I have to go back to the beginning, which is gonna be sad. No, I hate those little wormy dudes. I don't even care what I call them. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I am so dead, especially from the big red. I forgot his name already. today, boy, not today, boy, not today. Not today, boy, not today. Not today, not ever, boy, not ever, boy. No. Quit trying to ruin my life. I just want to have a peaceful little day. Look, there's health. What the hell? Should I? Sure. No! This is so sad. Oh my gosh. It's hard to play. Oh, look, I already... I told him before I even got the bandit. I forgot his name. We're gonna see it. Yeah, we're gonna see his name. Ready? Not... No! We're gonna see his name, though. Well, I'm at the big bandit. That's why I'm killing a lot. But I messed up. I shot them on accident, and I didn't really care because they shot me back. But yeah, I guess I accidentally shot them. So I give up. You know what? Let's get a second. Oh my god! I'm in the next level, apparently. You see? Oh, they're dead. This is easy, even this. But it's gonna be hard later. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hard. My little resting spot where dead bodies are. Come over here. Get over here, dude. Not today. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh, that's better. That is so much work. This is gonna be hard to dodge. Especially how they just ruined this. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna get this? Oh my god, this is so hard, I give up. Yeah. Okay, back to where it was. It's gonna be hard. Not really, actually. This one's pretty easy. Ooh, screwdriver, you guys are... Okay, I'm done. Oh my gosh, I just hit them because they hit me, so that's too bad for them. Nuclear explosion! That's what I'm doing. Oh my gosh! I am dead meat. I am dead meat. I am dead meat. Oh look, he's here. I'm done. I am so done. Well, for sure, I died, I guess. I don't even care, I'm gonna do some more. Oh, look at this. I can see fish. That's why you're scared of me. Some of them aren't, they don't even care. Okay, wait to get this. And now I'm dead. Why would that little dude hurt me? That is mean. This is so mean. That's it. Oh my! How? How? I was under there! No! This cannot be. Oh my gosh, I had to restart everything. All my hard work for nothing. Okay, this is messed up now. This is all messed up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is messed up. Looks like the bandit is here. Okay, let me put the volume down. It's actually loud. But, okay. Oh my. The babies come out of nowhere. Get out of here. Little punk. Wanna go? Oh my gosh, no, I do not want to go here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is no. I'm done. I am so done. Woo! I am done. I am so done. Okay, I'm gonna go be. I'm not even gonna try to get to the next level. I'm just gonna go with this. Get out of here, please. Thank you. Now get out of here. Now get out of here. Thank you. Come again. Thank you. Come again. Oh, look, I'm done. That's great. I'm about to end the video. I don't even care. So, you wanna go? I don't even care no more. I'm going beast mode. Wanna go, bitch? Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go bench? You bench? You bench? What a bench. Ooh, that's a nice bench. No. I already did it. But yeah. But oh my. I'm scared. I am so scared now. No, there's a wrench. Should I take the wrench? Yeah, let's go, let's go. Easy, 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 easy. This is getting easier. Oh, look, I'm back at the beginning. I'm surprised. No, the voodoo! Teleporting. No, that's great though. Look, let me try doing it again. Ready? No, I don't get to keep it. I guess because I didn't complete the level because of you guys. Freak all of you. Freak, I don't even care no more. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I want a laser pistol. That's great. But now I'm going to have to face you guys. Hopefully I don't have to face that dude again. The bandit. Come up here. My aims are so off, I'm going to be honest. Yeah, my aim is off. No. Bye. Yay. There you go. My teleporting. What? I don't want this. I don't want this. No. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Wow. Just wow. Well, that concludes my story. Just get ready for part 2. It's coming out soon. Well, see ya until part 2. Bye.